In this video, I show the usage of the function SUMIFS, so SUMIF with several conditions. We have seen already COUNTIFS, but here we are going to sum and not count the values of the cells. Let's have a look in our scenario. We have a running team, which consists of several people. You can see in column A who is running, and then we have documented on which day in the week somebody is running and how much he has or she has run. And we would like to sum up the distance several persons like Leonard or later Edward have run on a Monday, on a Tuesday, and so on. So we have two conditions: first the person and then the day of the week. So let's start. We say SUMIFS, and now it's important that the range area, the cells which have to be summed up, are now the first parameter. That's different compared to SUMIF. So if you have several conditions, this parameter moves into the first position. So I click on the C row. I could of course mark the cells by that, but clicking on the complete row has the advantage that if I would later on like to fill out down, then I don't have to put in any dollars. So the references are set automatically correct. I enter the semicolon, and now the first criteria range pops up. First one, I choose the days of a week. So first the range, then the day, and as I would like to fill down automatically later on, let's check the E is fine, and then the 3 should change into a 4, so no dollars are required. Second criteria, you see I need more criteria range, which is the person, and now I'm clicking on the value in here, and now I have to enter the dollars, because if I autofill down, then this 2 should stay. You can see once you have filled out the second criteria, the third criteria pops up as an optional argument, but for me 2 arguments are fine. But in principle you could have 3, 4, 5, 20 conditions. Now you see this 101 kilometer. I could move it down, and you see Leonard is doing most of his running on Mondays. Let's change name. Let's have a look for Ben. Oops, and Ben is not running at all, so probably there is a miscalculation. Let's type in Charlie. Okay, and you see the different values for Charlie. I guess if I compare Ben in here, okay, there is an empty space, so if I put Ben with an empty space in here, you see the values pop up as well.